Okay, I admit, this puzzle is one of the trickiest puzzles, or hardest puzzles. The puzzle involves 23 prisoners. These prisoners are sentenced to life in prison, and the warden calls them into a room. He says, in this room, there are 2 light switches. They don't control anything. They just can go up and down. Now, when we're done meeting in here, I'm going to put you all back in your cells. You're not going to be able to talk to anybody. You won't be able to see anybody. I will then, over the next number of days, you're not going to know, but I'm going to randomly bring you in one at a time into this room. When you come into this room, you must flip one switch up or down. You will then go back to your cell. I will call you in randomly. I could call the same person in 5 times in a row. I could call and bring in different people. I could alternate. You don't know. But every time that you come in here, you will flip a switch up or down. That's all you can do. And you will go back to your cell. When one of you can tell me that all 23 people have been in this room, I will set you free. I'll give you a minute to discuss this, and then you have to go back to your cells, and you will not see or speak to one another again. So, you can flip these switches up and down to your heart's content. How do you determine when all 23 people have been in the room?